Hey guys, so in today's video I will be showing you how you can protect your document with password in LibreOffice Writer. So now you did with your document something, you finished it and you can save it. How you can save it? So you can go here, File and Save As if you didn't save it yet. Now you can change the name right here, save and set the type of your document, and right below here you will see Save with Password. So click on that. When you set everything and set your location where you want to save, hit the Save button. Now this small window will appear. Here you have the password which you need to set. The best way is that you set with some uncommon words, with numbers and so on, that it's really secure. And like something like, I will just go with a simple one because this document is not that important. Then below here we have options, which is file sharing password. So you can open file read only, but if they want to edit, they need to put in the password. When everything's set, you just hit OK. And now we successfully saved our document, which we need password for that we open it. Now if we try to open it, so I will double click it, and as you can see we need to put in the password like so. Now it's open up in read only mode, so I can't do anything right here. What can I do now is go here to edit, and right here down below is edit mode. Click on it, and again you need to put in the password. And now we can freely edit this document. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.